Hey there, everyone. Want to show you, I think this probably happens on every car, but we had the opportunity to hit 100,000 miles on our 2013 Chevy Tahoe, and I didn't know this happened when you got to 100,000 miles, but I'm glad I had the camera rolling, so I thought I'd take you along. Let's roll.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it, see the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin, money clip I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, pump up the action, I'm active, if he never heard of men, dope, he just napping, Jackson's, off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking, don't gotta sell the most, yeah, let's roll this movie, versus longer than this boring, heard you wanna cause since she is a gorgeous, live my life last,
Oh, and I'm gonna run out of gas. Oh no, turn it back on. Woo! Oh, I told
you were gonna run out.
Oh, I can only go south? Oh my goodness.
Can't get off here.
Oh, 99999 miles.
Means we have to go a different way.
And I'm out of gas. Oh, I hope I make it. It's a significant event.
Get it, honey, in just a second.
But we have 99,999 miles on the car. One more. Some people do. I wonder where we're going to be when it happens.
It's going to be anticlimactic for you.
No, it's not. I've been waiting for a month.
I like them from the very beginning.
Traffic used to be detoured through here for Caleb.
Oh, we did it! 100,000 miles! We did it right here at the Palace of the Auburn Hills. Woohoo! 100,000 miles. Did it.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking